Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this beautiful weaving technique envelope with the paper quilling flower decoration in easy steps. So first I will share how to make this beautiful diamond pattern weaving design using yellow and white color strips, and then on top of this I have made these beautiful contrast color flowers with the 3 mm quilling strips, and you can just open the envelope like this to put the cash. So without any further delay, let's start with the procedure. Here I am taking 17.5 by 7.5 white color cardstock, and first I am going to share how to make the weaving pattern. So we have to attach the strips like this. So here I am taking yellow color strip in 5 mm, and on right side of the sheet I am sticking these yellow strips. I have cut one strip into half, and then I am sticking it one by one like this. So in total I am going to connect 15 strips like this. So all these are nicely attached and it will look like this from front. Now again reversing the paper, and on another side I am going to stick 5 mm white color strips, and this time I have divided my white strip in 1/4, and I am going to connect total 35 strips like this. So all are nicely attached. Now flipping the card like this, and we have to fold all the strips in front part like this. So first I am folding all white strips, and then I'll fold yellow strips so that it will be easier for us to start weaving it. So the base is ready. Now I'm starting with my first row. Take down total 3 white strips, putting yellow strip like this, then taking down total 7 white strips. On top of one white strip I am putting yellow strip. Again taking down total 7 white strips. Then on top of white strip I am putting one yellow white strip, taking down 7 white strip and repeating it till the end. And at the end I am just passing the strip through the 3 white strips. So first row is ready. Now I am just connecting the leftover strip on back side using glue like this. Then starting with the second row, for this I am putting yellow strip on 4 white strips, taking down total 5 strips on top of the yellow strip. Then putting yellow strip on white, taking 1 white down, again yellow on 1 white, then taking down white strips, yellow, white, yellow, again 5, and repeating it till the end. Again I am sticking the leftover strip on back side. Then starting with third row, putting the yellow strip on white for total 5 strips, taking down total 3 white strip on top of the yellow, then weaving it on top of white using yellow, taking down total 3 strips of white, putting 1 yellow, then 3 down, again 1 yellow, 3 down, 1 yellow, and so on. So the third row is also done. Now for the fourth row, I am putting on 6 white strip first, weaving behind 1 white strip, then 1 yellow, 5 white, 1 yellow, 1 white, 1 yellow, 5 white, and so on. Then starting with the fifth row, putting yellow strip on 5 white strips, then 1 white on top, then 1 yellow, then 7 white strips, then 1 yellow, again 7 white strips, 1 yellow, and repeat this till the end. Then starting with the sixth row, putting the yellow strip on top of the white for 4 times, then 1 white, total 3 yellows, then 5 white, 3 yellow, 5 white, 3 yellow, and so on. Then starting with the 7th row, putting the yellow strip for 3 times on 3 white strips, then 1 white on top, then 5 yellow, 3 white, 5 yellow, 3 white, and so on. Like this. Now starting with the 8th row, 2 yellow, 1 white, 7 yellow, 1 white, again 7 yellow, 1 white, and repeat it. So here we have reached to the center part of the pattern, and now we have to repeat the same pattern opposite side, that is on the reverse pattern. We have to repeat it till the bottom, and after reversing whole pattern, the weaved design should look like this. Now from back side I am folding remaining white strips as well and sticking it using glue. And the beautiful weaved pattern is completely ready. This is super duper easy to make. You just need to follow the instructions carefully. Now starting with making the envelope, for this I am taking this yellow cardstock which is 21 by 19 centimeters, and from both the sides I have already creased at 1 centimeters. Now flipping the sheet, and from left side I have creased at 5 centimeters and 13 centimeters. Now we have to cut all 4 corners like this on 1 centimeter line. Folding all the creased parts. And sticking the bigger part on top of this folded strip to construct the envelope. So attaching it by glue, and the envelope is ready. Now on top of this I am going to stick the weaved pattern. And it will look like this. So our weaved pattern envelope is ready. Now it's time to create the quilling flowers. For my first flower I am taking here 1/4 strip of dark pink color and making one teardrop shape. This is the 3 mm strip. Now I am joining total 11 petals to create the flower. Then to make the center of the flower, here I am taking 1/4 strip of pink color in 7 mm, just folding it twice and making the fringes like this. So our fringe strip is ready. Now using tool I am just making the fringe flower like this, opening all the fringes and sticking it exactly in the center of the flower. So flower is ready. Similarly I have already prepared one more flower. Now for the another flower I am taking here 1/4 strip of dark teal blue and making one teardrop shape. Similarly I have already prepared one more. Then I am taking half strip of dark teal blue color and making one big size teardrop shape. Now joining all 3 petals together and wrapping this whole petal using dark blue color. So petal is ready. Now I am joining total 9 petals together. Like this. Then adding one white color tight coil on top of this, which is made using 1/2 strip of white color in 3 mm, and flower is ready. Now to make small filler flower, here I am taking 1/4 strip of light blue color in 3 mm and making one tight teardrop shape, joining total 5 petals together to create the flower. And for the center of the flower I am adding 1/4 strip dark blue color tight coil. So we need one more this type of flower. Now to make leaf, here I am taking 1/4 strip of light sap green color and making one semicircle, joining one more semicircle with this. So the leaf is ready. Similarly, I have already prepared some more leaves already. And also I have prepared some scrolls using dark sap green color and light sap green colors like this. If you want to learn how to make scrolls, check the link in description box. Now taking back my envelope base, and I'll start decorating this from center using all the handmade flowers. I'm putting it in the center horizontal line so that we can see the beautiful weaved pattern as well, and also beautiful quilling work. Now I'm just adding some tight coils here and there to decorate the card more, using 1/4 strips of pink color and 1/4 strip of teal blue color. And the super gorgeous weaved pattern envelope is ready. You can make it in different color combinations as a shagun envelope, and you can put money inside this. I have just decorated the back side using this die cutout just to decorate the back side little more. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and don't forget to click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.